say thank you also to our official choreographer. Mamaya may papakita natin sa left wall.
Kaya dance number.
Yes, and tonight, for the information of everyone and to all our judges, most especially to the parents of our candidates, we're going to announce, of course, the criteria for judging, for choosing the winners tonight.
Yes, and partner, our criteria for judging tonight is per segment. So for our first segment, which is our summer wear, poise and bearing 40%, charm and beauty 30%, overall impact 20%, and our audience impact 10% for a total of 100%. And of course, partner, for our casual wear, criteria for judging, we also have our poise and bearing 40%, charm and beauty 30%, overall impact 20%, and 10% for our audience impact, for the total of 100%.
And another criteria for tonight to be the winner, to be a winner of this pageant, is the formal wear and evening gown. We have the poise and bearing, that is 30%, charm and beauty 30%, elegance 30%, and the audience impact, that is 10%, for a total of 100%. At syempre, ito na po ang pinakinggan ng lahat. Makikita natin ang personality ng ating mga contestants tonight during our question and answer portion. So we have written content, that is 40%, projection and delivery 30%, the stage presence 20%, and the overall impact, that is 10%, for a total of 100%. So,
definitely, everyone, that will be the gauge of our judges for tonight for us to find out who will be the winner for tonight's pageant.
So, which means, no, Kenneth, ang lahat ng ating mga labas o ating mga segment will be judged.
Yes, and that's very important for them to give all their performance and best for tonight's pageant.
And as you can see now a while ago, our candidates tonight are showcasing their ability to run. No? I think it's gonna be a hard time for our panel of judges tonight. And some of them are friends tonight. We have Mr. Ralph, thank you so much.
At syempre, partner, I also want to take this opportunity, palakpakan niyo po ang mga parents ng mga kabataang ito for allowing their children to join this prestigious pageant of Barangay Darangay.
Yes, and ngayon pa naman po, magpapasalamat din po kami, of course, to all our generous sponsors tonight. Thank you so much sa inyong support at sa ating little Mr. and Miss Darangay 2024. At alam mo, Kenneth, no? This year, napakabongga ng ating syempre, with the overall director of little Mr. and Miss, we have Sir Eljon Serbo. Palakpakan naman po natin.
I'm actually waiting this pageant every year kapag nagkakaroon tayo ng kabistahan, because this is really a much-awaited pageant here in Barangay Darangay.
Yes, you are absolutely correct. And we're just giving time, no, to our contestants to prepare themselves for the next segment, which is
our summer wear competition.
Yes, abangan natin yan. Pagkaman mga bata pa, pag-iinitin nila ang ating entablado sa larangan ng pagrampa. No?
Yes, and definitely they will showcase their attire for a summer wear, and they will also do a little bit of performance for our judges, for them to appreciate the beauty of their dresses, and also for our Mr. At syempre, we are all excited to see that tonight.
Yes, and at this point in time, of course, let's give a chance to give a special message to overall director of Little Mr. and Miss Darangay 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a round of applause to Mr. Eljon Serbo. Once again, put up Mr. Eljon Serbo.
sa aking mga kabarangay. Welcome po to the 8th edition of the Little Miss Darangan and the 1st edition of Little Mr. Nagpapasalamat po ako syempre sa Sangguniang Kabataan, headed by our chairperson Lizelle Margaret Godoy, sa po na kanyang mga kagawad. The Sangguniang Barangay ng Darangan, headed of course by our Barangay Captain Longhino Oji Del Milocap. Maraming salamat po sa po na kanyang mga kagawad. At syempre, most especially po nagpapasalamat ako sa mga judges na narito ngayong gabi. And of course, sa aking mga parents. No? Mga parents, thank you so much. Just enjoy the show at pipilitin po namin kayong bigyan ng show. So again, welcome po to the 8th edition of Little Miss Darangan and the 1st edition of Little Miss Darangan. Muli maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Thank you so much to our official director of the Little Mr. and Miss Darangan 2024.
Yes, thank you so much, our kumpare.
Yes, ang tunay na kumpare ang ating hinahanap ang kanyang napakagandang baby girl.
Yes, and of course at this point in time, we would like to acknowledge the presence of one of our major sponsors tonight, the manager of Darangan Water Service Development Cooperative. Palapakan po natin, we have Ma'am Nova Mones.
Good evening po, ma'am.
Magandang gabi po.
Thank you so much for giving your time to be here for the coronation night. And this time, partner, I know every one of you is so excited to see this segment. So ladies and gentlemen, our candidates for our summer wear competition. competition.
Yes, I love the outfit. It's happy.
Yes, and ang cute ng ating mga baby girl and baby boys as they've been able to showcase their version of their own summer wear competition.
Yes, you are correct, Ken. And tonight, we'll be moving on, or let's keep the ball rolling by giving our first set of our special awards tonight.
Yes, partner. So this will be our first set of special awards, and our coordinators will go ahead and provide our results for this first set of awards.
Yes, and of course, we would like to remind all our supporters that our special award will not affect.
Yes, it definitely will not affect our main score
Yes.
for this function. And we want to say thank you to all our sponsors for giving this all special awards tonight.
Yes, and let's see kung ano nga ba ating first set of our special awards.
And again, while we are waiting to all who really come here for tonight's pageant, magandang gabi po sa inyo.